中心，这里是 S 拐洞 C， 准备投掷6连装声纳浮标。
Roger. What do you find?
没有。
At last 72 hours, your aircraft have dropped enough sonar buoys that a man could walk from Taiwan to China without getting his feet wet.
等等，海面上那是什么？天公不怕，管制中心快把海鸥直升机给我抬过来。
Good news. Navy found survivor.
Submarine floating up.
No. Who is wearing MK-10 immersion suits for self-escape?
不要动，冷静点，你已经获救了。还有2位弟兄，他的状况不好，快送高压氧。
This is very dangerous who only wear immersion suits to the surface. He may be drift, disappear or freeze to death if he is not immediately discovered by helicopter.
He is a sub-officer. The doctor found a letter written by the captain of the submarine in his suit.
This is a letter with all the survivors' name. At the head of words to work, to survive, to serve my country.
They hold the determination.
Captain wrote, the impact caused a dozen death and 23 injured of their men. However, they success control the damage. COC tried to turn the water and emergency float but could not stop submarine sinking. They failed to launch the buoy. The captain put all 52 survivors in the tube tail awaiting rescue. During the time they percussive bulkheads, hope the surface ships can hurt us.
There is a sonar report suspected submarine knocking for help. Overward to hallucination, once be suspected.
They are saving water and air, face the darkness and low temperature. They sing military songs and no one had to give up. Three days after the accident, 3 men voluntarily used the immersion suits from the gap to the out for help.
你们一出了潜舰，就拉充气锁上浮。上浮时记得要向外呼气，否则你的肺会被炸掉。我还想见老婆与女儿一面，我们一定要成功逃生。
MK-10 is designed for deep water victims quickly free floating, reduce the risk of decompression.
DCS decompression sickness refers to the body because of the surrounding environment caused by rapid decline in the pressure of the disease, which is the most dangerous kind of diving.
It is encouraging to know that there are 2 more survivors. Now, all the helicopters fly out.
The helicopter has just found another.
Submarine also found in the Penyu Gorge southwest depth of 185 meters on the seabed.
They are too deep, even more than the naval underwater operations.
The water pressure at this spot can be compressed adult into small baby.
They cannot open the escape capsule. It only can rely on SDRDS.
Third also been found.